We say the world has changed. We say children don't play anymore. But sometimes it isn't the world that changed, it's us. We see families like this every day, together in the same room, but worlds apart. A child looks up, hoping for a connection, a shared moment, but the adults are lost in their own devices. We're all present, but nobody's really there. The soft glow of a screen, the click of a keyboard, the quiet hum of a digital world. It's a modern kind of loneliness, one that feels all too familiar. But is this really a new problem? We often look back and romanticize the past, imagining a perfect, screen-free childhood.
We remember playing outside, where sticks became swords and dirt became roads.
It didn't come from a device. It came from distance. As parents, we are so busy working to provide more that we often replace our children's emotional needs with artificial comforts. In our effort to provide more and keep them updated with the modern world, children are often left with a quiet equating for someone to play with, waiting for us. So it's easy to blame technology. We say things like, kids these days don't play anymore, or it's all screens, no real life. But the truth is, play never vanished. Just the tools changed. Curiosity and laughter, always the same. Adults worry about kids consuming too much online content. But what if a child isn't just consuming? What if they're creating, learning, and connecting instead? That game is a fun place for kids to build, share stories, and play together from different places of the world. A world where no one has to feel left out. And that's the moment the bridge is built. A parent asks, "Can you teach me?" Suddenly, the screen feels like a shared space. It becomes a place to connect, to learn from each other, to laugh together. Technology is not the enemy of childhood. Disconnection is. The real magic happens when we blend the old with the new. When coding a game together leads to drawing new characters as a family. When testing a digital world inspires us to play outside. When we put connection first and use technology as a tool to enhance it, not replace it. Play is imagination. And imagination can live anywhere in worlds built of sticks and dirt, or in worlds built of code and light. The future isn't about choosing one over the other. It's about finding the balance. It's about sitting together again, not in silence, but with shared laughter.
Using technology to bring us closer. Wow, it sounds amazing, doesn't it? A different concept, a different way of seeing the world. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores the intersection of life and technology.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.